Nautosan ako ni Little Boss, guys. Magbili ng Arby's niya. Fast food. Oh my goodness. What a child, guys. Really. Bahay na, guys. Kabili na ng drinks niya. And sandwich. So, may silly boy. Aray, ang dami kong bitbitin, guys. Happy eating, guys. Happy eating sa akong bugoy.